Previously, I showed you what V2L is in this video. Today, we'll take advantage of V2L to power up a refrigerator during a power outage. The power goes from the Hyundai Ioniq 5 to the V2L adapter, to this inlet adapter, and ultimately to the refrigerator inside the garage. This inlet is basically an extension cord. Here are the dimensions if you're curious. From here to here is about 2 inches, and then all the way through, I would say maybe about 16.5 inches. In total, from start to finish, about 19 inches. These are some tools that you'll need. There's the inlet adapter that I ordered, extension cable, 2 inches hole drill bit. This bit is very special. It will cut through aluminum easily as well as other materials such as wood. This 1/3/8 of an inch drill bit. You'll definitely need a nice power drill. Here, I'm using a Milwaukee along with this adapter thing to hold on to. Otherwise, if the drill slips, it will twist your wrist right off. As you can see, the special bit went through the aluminum, and then after that, it's just wood. I didn't want to drill all the way through, so I stopped somewhere in the middle, and then I used this spade bit to go in further. By the way, please consider subscribing and liking this video. This lets YouTube know my video is indeed helpful and will recommend it to others like yourself. Alright, so here is the moment of truth. We're going to plug the extension cord in. This now has power. I don't know if you can see the LED on the tip. We're going to feed it into the inlet that was installed and secure via the 4 screws provided. This inlet goes through the wood. Now you can plug in the refrigerator or whatever you want to, up to 15 amps. Just for fun, I got a crazy powerful blower. Let's turn it on. There we go. Pretty good, right? Now you can power up important devices using your car during a power outage. Assuming your EV is fully charged, you can certainly power up a 30 cubic feet fridge for over 1 week. I can't give you an exact number just because my power outage never lasted more than 4 days. This should be weatherproof enough to use while it's raining. No need to caulk anything because there is a rubber piece between the adapter and the wall. If you want, you can certainly 3D print a cover to make it extra waterproof. Otherwise, I'm pretty happy with the result for now. Alright, hopefully this video helps you with installing a power inlet to be used with a V2L adapter. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.